Hello everyone, my name is Vera Firman. I'm CEO of PulseGrowth. Just a reminder for someone who don't know yet, PulseGrowth is all-in-one automation platform. We help businesses to grow in scale. PulseGrowth is powered by one of the most advanced platform in the world, is Go High Level. It has around 2 million users. It's a company backed up by 2 billions already, I think, by now, and it has a huge team at the back end. I think it's around 1,000 people at the back end worldwide. So it's a really smart, very fast-growing business. And if you're a business owner, you should start using it right now, no questions asked. And in this video, I would like to show you how much money you can save by using PulseGrowth. So I'm going to show you how much money we used to spend as a business, for our clients, how much money we spend yearly on different types of tools. I'm going to look at my phone so I don't forget. So this is the PulseGrowth. And this is other tools, right? So let's say if you use HubSpot or Pipedrive CRM, the cost is around $50 to $800 per month. And this is depending on how many users. And then as a business owner, you're probably using email marketing. And for email marketing, you're using something like MailChimp, right? Excuse my horrible writing. I haven't used pencil for a long time. MailChimp. Or ActiveCampaign. So again, the cost is around $50 to $400 a month. Again, excuse my horrible writing. And then maybe you're using a funnel building, right? Funnel building. And that could be either ClickFunnels or lead pages, and that's again around $97 up to how much? $297 a month. $297 a month. And obviously, as a business owner, you use hosting and a website, and you use either WordPress or hosting, and let's say website builder, web builder, hosting, and you may use it's again at least maybe $30 to $50 per month. Okay, and then you may use Calendly online booking system. We're all using that, right? So Calendly. How much does Calendly cost? Let me check. Just don't remember because I'm not using Calendly anymore. That is again $15 to $30 per month, right? And then you may use call tracking. And that's again like $45 to $145 a month. And then you're using social media planner. Maybe Hotsuite, right? That's at least how much it costs. Social media is $99 per user. That's another. Right. What else we use? We use reputation management system, something like Birdie Eye, right? Reputation. Let me do this. And how much is reputation management? Is again $100 to $400 a month, depending on how many users you're using, right? What else? Forms, surveys, jot forms, right? Forms, again, $25 to $60 a month. $25 to $60. I should actually remove here because it's not belongs to PulseGrowth. Okay. What else? What else do we have? Online courses. So if you're running a business, if you're a coach, consultant, and you may want to have a course, that's another program. Like Kajabi, for example, course. Yeah. Kajabi. Just and that is again 39. I think it's 39 to 199 a month. What else? Forms, course, and let's say if you use a chat widget on a website, I think you should use, if you still don't, you should, right? Chat widget. Chat widget. How much is chat widget? That's again $19 to $99 a month. What else we have? Voice, AI, and or automation workflows. Workflows, AI, depending what you want, and what else we use. Proposals online, Panda Docs. It's also 50 to 200 depending on how many users you use, workflow, how much it is. Like Zapier or ActiveCampaign, that could be 20 to 100 a month. Okay, and what else? SMS marketing. How much is SMS marketing? 50 to 200 a month. 50 to 200. So at least, let me summarize. That will be around $600 to $2,000 a month for all these tools. And then let's do the math. If you spend around this amount for the whole year, how much money you spend just on zillions of all these tools, right? And not only it's painful to carry on with expenses because it just adds on and on. As a business owner, I know. And we've been there, we used all these tools ourselves. It's also how painful it could be to deal with logins, with passwords, with your team members. If any of this not talking to each other and something cracks in the back end, crickets, it doesn't work, you know? So what if I tell you that PulseGrowth can replace all of this, yeah, at the fraction of the cost? You have different plans, and let's say our professional plan, which is $297 a month, $297, and you get up to 20 users. If you're a larger company, we have premium plan, which is slightly more expensive. However, you can see the difference. So and just replace it with Pulse.
I didn't get that. Could you try?
Growth.io. And you can use either 297 or 497. Unlimited users, so this is if you're a large company, or if you're a smaller company, 20 users. So imagine when you're hosting your phone system, your invoicing. I didn't even mention all of this because there's many. AI assistant, AI receptionist who answer your calls. All your calls are recorded. Social media planner, automation of your social media. Your websites can be built inside, so you don't have to hustle with different logins, passwords, and jump between different teams. All of this covered by just PulseGrowth, all-in-one automation platform. How cool is that? And you can try it for free. So don't forget to register below and try for free. And not only that, we help you to set everything up so you don't have to suffer with all these tools, because this is the most important thing for business owners. You don't have time to suffer with all this tech overwhelm. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't need to know how to code. We have a team who do it for you. So what are you waiting for? I see you on the other side.